Well, hi everybody, this is your staying at home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Insta Natural Body Care. Okay, the moisturizer, the skincare, and the international 30-day starter kit. So starting with the Retinol Moisturizer, open this up. I'm going to look at it. How's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. This is the Tuesday review. So this is the Insta Natural Retinol Moisturizer with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, safflower seed oil, green tea extract. Here it is. And then we have the hyaluronic acid serum, which is vitamin C, green tea extract, jojoba oil, and aloe vera oil. And let's open that and look at that. So that goes on with the dropper. And then we've got the Insta Natural Emu Oil. Let's open this one. See how it comes. It's got a dropper for the spray. And this is it right here. And then you can spray this on. So, now this has the 100% pure, area certified, fully refined, fatty acid, multi-purpose moisturizer. So I'm going to try this. I have emu oil for other things, but I've never tried it for my skin. But we'll try this and see how we like it. And then last but not least, they sent me the trio, which is vitamin C skincare. So let's open that. I'm really excited about this one. So it's got the vitamin C cleanser. It's got the vitamin C moisturizer. And it smells good too. Let's get the vitamin C serum. So I'm going to try these. And again, I'll put these all down in the comments section. So if you have any questions, I'll answer it in the comment section. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.